Today, we're going to meet an unsung hero for whom the impossible is an everyday challenge.
My dog died, and his name was my password, so I'm gonna need to change my password.
So let's say someone spills Coke on their laptop. Do they just put some rice on it?
How do I install email? You look busy.
Why do I have to change my password again? My birthday is so secure.
Can you just make it no clicks? One click is too much.
I'm already on the VPN, but I wanna be a VIP man.
How come I can't use Tinder for business communication?
Can I install Minecraft on my laptop?
Can I use it for gaming?
I know it's a company computer, but it was kind of just lying there. Can I mine crypto with this?
Hey, I got an email from this member of the royal family. Can I use MySpace for professional correspondence?
This is her story.